How did I end up in this editing dilemma?
Flashback.
A couple of weeks back, I was in Fiji for the 2023 GoPro Creator Summit, where I got to meet and hang out with the most inspiring creators from all over the world. The trip started out with a bang.
What up, yo?
Right out the gate, after traveling for 15 hours, we dove straight into the action. Jet skiing, tubing, we even got to hang out with this super chiller dude while snorkeling. Before I went freediving, I was introduced to this local drink, kava, a mildly narcotic and sedative drink made from crushed fruit. Not sure if I should be drinking it before diving, but hey, it probably helped with my buoyancy squeezing through these tiny little holes. Next, we got on land for an adrenaline-filled jet boating adventure weaving through the majestic landscapes of Fiji. And that landed us into this massive cave where we got to learn more about the rich Fijian culture. Not before Wade, the extreme spearfishing survivalist, decides to dive into a black hole that has a tunnel that is allegedly 200 meters long. Not gonna lie, we were all a little worried.
Dude, this guy's a crazy man. It's crazy man. Dude, I don't even see him already.
One eternity later.
Wait, should we?
Pretty deep, eh? You don't say, bro. You don't say.
Subsequently, GoPro booked up an entire island for survivor-style team games, more free diving, jetty jumps, helicopter rides, and skydiving into the island. And of course, I was off on a project to interview all the creators for a fun confessional booth edit. And just when you thought it was over, we had a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to do a 5 AM sunrise workout with Fiji's national hero, two-time Olympic gold medalist rugby team. By the end of it, my entire body was destroyed, but my soul felt so recharged, like I was ready to conquer anything. And with every GoPro event, there is bound to be an epic part.
Salimos pa' la carretera, la gente a mí me pregunta y yo le digo que yo estoy en Mariana, la 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 Mariana, y yo le digo que yo estoy en Mariana, la 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 Mariana, y yo le digo que yo pasa, súbeme la música DJ.
Of course, there is just too many experiences to jam-pack into this edit, from geeking out in the night to classroom workshops, chatting with the locals at their village, to all the sumptuous Fijian meals and Fijian water. But my favorite part was having the opportunity to hang out with these legends from all over the world. And that's how I landed up in this situation, not sure how to start the edit. So I thought it'd be cool to select a couple of my favorite clips to make a recap video. But with over 387 gigabytes of content shot, I asked myself, how did I end up in this editing dilemma?